Hey YouTube, I want to get on here and do a quick DIY. It's what I call a letterboard Christmas ornament. The things that you're going to be needing is a glue gun. I just plugged that in so it could start heating up. You're going to need these paper. It's like a cardboard. I'm not sure what it is, but it kind of mimics the letterboard. You're gonna need 2 of these or a couple of these needle art knitting rounds. I picked up this ribbon, and then also, last but not least, you're gonna need the white letterboard letters. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is undo this knitting. Okay. Now you're just gonna push this right down on top. Like so. Then you're just gonna flip it, push it down as far as it'll go. See? And you'll just tighten this up as much as you can tighten it. And just trim the edges like so. You can even okay. Then what you're going to do is just get your letters, and depending on what you want them to say, I'm going to do is just cut the backs off of these, glue the letters right on top.